Including Arabic menu translations improves customer experience and expands your customer base. In this video, we'll learn how you can translate menu items to Arabic in your Sapaad.Online Store. Let's get started. First, you have to add Arabic as your alternate language. To begin, on your Sapaad account, go to Setup, Global Settings, then Alternate Languages. Click on Add Alternate Language. From the drop-down menu, select Arabic as your alternate language, and then click Save. If necessary, you can remove a language you've added by clicking the Delete button. Note that currently, only Arabic language is supported for translations. After adding your Arabic as your alternate language, return to the Global Settings page and find Menu Translations. Here, you'll find your entire menu items catalog. Click on the Item Name field to enter the Arabic translations for your menu items. Similarly, click on Description to provide translations for item descriptions. Alternatively, use the Search field to find the menu item for which you wish to add translations. Now, you can ensure precise representation of your menu items in Arabic. Once you've added the translations, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. We recommend you to sync the store settings by visiting Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad.Online Settings. Go to the Synchronize tab and click on Save to update your changes. And there you have it! You've successfully translated menu items to Arabic in your Sapaad.Online Store. Make sure to check out our video on enabling Arabic interface for your Sapaad.Online Store. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.